You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.